Today we're going to talk about spotting fake apps and the secret menu that rescues your phone. The enemy has evolved. Old malware, dumb and scripted. Primitive, pixelated bug moving in a fixed path, hitting a wall and halting. No intelligence. PromptSpy uses AI to see. Sleek, stylized AI eye with camera aperture iris scanning a smartphone. Intelligent and sinister observation. New threats like PromptSpy don't just guess. They use AI to look at your screen, ask for directions, and hide themselves. Stop before you shop. A popular banking app with only 5,000 downloads is a fake. Walk away. Read between the lines. Skip the 5-star bots. Read the 1-star warnings. If real people say it's a virus or too many ads, listen to them. Did a bad app slip through? Don't panic. If you can't click delete, it's time for the secret weapon. Meet your life raft. Safe mode. Safe mode starts your phone using only factory apps. It puts the bad apps to sleep so you can finally delete them. Step 1. The physical press. Press and hold the physical power button on the side of your phone. Step 2. The secret menu. Do not just tap and hold the power button off icon on the screen. Wait for the screen menu to appear. Note, on some newer phones like Google Pixel, you might need to press the power button plus volume up button at the same time. Step 3. Enter the safe zone. A hidden message will ask to reboot to safe mode. Tap OK and let the phone restart. Step 4. The cleanup. Go to the settings, then apps. Select the bad app. Tap uninstall. Because the app is asleep, it can't fight back. Delete it. The escape route. To leave safe mode, simply restart your phone normally. Your phone wakes up clean, secure, and ready to use. Here's my security checklist. The don'ts. Don't trust low download counts. Don't ignore typos in descriptions. And don't believe 5-star bots. The do's. Do check the developer name. Do read 1-star reviews for warnings. And do use safe mode if your screen freezes. Stay safe out there. For more easy tech tips, subscribe to my channel. I hope this helps you and your friends stay safe online. I'm Bob the Cyber Guy.